So we are starting the solution of quadratic equation. Solution of quadratic equation with the help of by factorization method. Okay, so our question is, we will take one another question. So question is 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation that we have given equation. We have to find the roots of this quadratic equation with the help of factorization. So the first rule of the factorization is, what we have to do, we have to find the sum. The product of this number is like a into b is equal to 12. The product of, and the sum of the number is, sum of the number what we have, that is equal to minus 1. So this product is equal to minus 12 and the sum is equal to minus 1. So how we will find this one? So for finding this one, first we will start 12. In which table we will get the 12? So 6, let's start assumption. We will have 6 2 are 12, or 2 6 are 12, we can say like this, 3 4 are 12. Okay, so now we will see here, we have value. If I subtract this value, this is a value and this is c value. If I subtract this value, then I will get here something 4. But if I subtract this one, I will getting over 1 here. So what I will do, 6x square minus 4x, this is my one factor, minus 3x, so plus 3x. So 3x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So it will become my factors. So now what I will do, 2x I will take common from here. So this is equal to 3x minus what will be the remainder here, 2. So again plus symbol, so another value is 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we will take this value as a common. So like 3x minus 2, and here 2x plus 1 we will be getting. So it means 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now what we will do, we'll solve this equation. X is equal to, this 2 will go that side, 2 upon 3. So this is my one root. Another root, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So these are the two roots. So now we will verify this one. Verify. How we will verify? We will substitute this value in the equation. Our equation is what we have equation. So the equation we have here is 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. So when we substitute this value, so substitution we will put here, we'll take the left hand side. Left hand side 2 into, what is the value of x is 2 upon 3 square minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 6 into 4 upon 9 minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. So now we will come over here. So 2 2 ja, 3 2 ja and 3 3 ja. So we will get here 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. So now we will take the LCM as 3. So 8 minus 2 minus this will become 6 here. So this is right hand side, na? This is right hand side. So we will see here. So this value, whatever the value that we will solve, this is 8 minus 8 divided by 3. So 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. So we proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So for this one equation, so now what we will do, the same thing we'll do with x is equal to 1 upon 2. So we'll substitute this value. So minus 1 upon 2 the square minus 2 upon 3 into minus 1 upon 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 6 is equal to 1 upon 4 minus, when we solve this one, this will become plus over here. So this is equal to 2 upon so when we this one, this will cut by this one, so this will be 1 upon 3 minus, what is the value here, 2. So we'll again we will divide this value. So 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. So we will get over here 3 and 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus 2. So we'll take the LCM. LCM is 6. So this is equal to 9 plus here we will have 2 minus then we will 6 to ja
12.
12. So we will have here 12. Okay, so when we solve this one, so the value will be here we have 11 minus 12 by 6. So but why this value is not equal? So let's have a relook check. 2 to ja we will have minus 2. So this what is the value over here?
Minus 1. Minus
From
1.
where this minus 2 we will pick? Okay, sorry, here it is minus x only, na? Here we did one mistake, na man. So here the value is minus 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 upon 2 only, not this one. This is 1 upon 2. Let me do the correction over here. So when we do the correction, so let me correct with the red pen so that it's clear. So this is equal to 2. I just picked the value from here, so it's my fault. So this value is 2, so this value is 2 here. So the LCM will come over here. This is equal to 4 and this is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 will be here. So this is equal to 4 minus 4. So you will get here 0 by 6. So this remainder is equal to 0. So we proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So hence it proved that these are the roots of the equation. So the one root of the equation is here this value and another root of the equation is this value. So we proved this one. Got it?